I got a package from Whiskey River. So, two different orders both showed up on the same day. Either way, they're here. I'm excited, and I got to figure out how to open up this box. Maybe this is it. Yep, that's it. Can you see? Nope, you can't see. Let me move you over. There. That's a little better. Nope, I did not know how to open this box up. Let's see. So a few of the different new release handles. This is the 12-inch hatchet handle, the 12 HC. And I dropped my knife. Oh, I didn't do all right. 12 HC. Super cool handles. I like it a lot. It feels freaking amazing. Not too big, but very, very cool. Both of these are really nice handles. This one is sapwood. This one is heartwood. Yeah, pretty cool handles. Let's get the other box. Oh, you got a packet. You got a letter, receipt. And Ed, enjoy your handles. Brianna. Thanks, Brianna. Also have another package. Super excited about this one. I mean, there's lots of reasons to be excited, especially when you have, oh my goodness, that's a lot. Let's do this one first. So I like the 28 looms, 28 Lumberman, 28-inch Lumberman. Super cool handle, super thin, whippy. I just like them a lot. I got a few heads, a few projects that I want to get done, and that's one of them. This is what I'm super excited about. Oh my goodness. And Brandon told me that I was going to like these, and you know what? He's absolutely correct. A 28-inch cruiser handle, the new ones they got. Just, man. I'm pretty excited about these. Look at that. I have a very special build coming up for one of these. That one was a good one. Oh my goodness. Another one. I mean, I knew I was getting 3, but dude, these things are just freaking amazing. Perfect grain orientation. Absolutely perfect. This is some really dense hickory too. Another sapwood. So this one's heartwood, right? And these two are sapwood. Just freaking amazing. I love these handles, man. Holy crap. And another note. Ed, enjoy your handles and wedges. Thanks, Brianna. I want to show you guys this. So I ordered some wedges. There's a few in there. Yeah. So I got 20 wedges, 20 walnut wedges. Look at these though. They're beefy and like they're good. Almost a ½ inch. Let's see. Where's my tape at? I just had it. They're ½ inch. They're ½ inch. So these are going to be big enough for pretty much anything. Let's see how long are they? 3 inches by 3 inches by ½ inch. Yeah. 3½ inches long, 3 inches wide, and at the top of the wedge, they're ½ inch. So these wedges are freaking awesome. I love them. You can grind down, make it whatever size you want. Yeah. That's it. That's all I got. The cruiser handles, pretty sure they still got some on the shelf. Go check them out. The 28 looms, they still have them on the shelf. Go check them out. And the 12-inch HC handles, hatchet curvy, HC, that's what HC stands for. The 12-inch hatchet handles, they still have them on the shelves. Last I checked. So go check them out. I'll leave a link in my description, in my link tree, so you guys can go right to them. Promise that's it. That's all I got. Y'all have a good day.